Folks, this is Elias with EH Tutorials. Today I want to show you a way that you can make your Google Chrome look a lot much better and have better productivity. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go into the web store. So it's called the Chrome Web Store, which is for everyone that uses Google Chrome. Make sure you have a Gmail account before you do this, of course. So what you want to do is you want to put in let's see, Infinity. You want to actually download this plugin or extension to it. It's this one over here, number 3rd. Click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. It'll start downloading, and then it should execute right away. So it'll pretty much look like this. Now this is a really cool it's a really cool way to actually put your Google Chrome because you can actually customize it, and this is something that I like a lot. So in the case of Google Chrome, for instance, if you know you're not going to use Pinterest, you can actually delete it. TripAdvisor, I probably wouldn't use that. This I probably wouldn't use, but I definitely would use Twitter, Instagram, and I'll go with the extensions. You can have a to-do list if you want, and then there's other stuff here like bookmarks and other stuff that I'm pretty sure you probably don't want to use, but it really is up to you. If you have a Facebook account and all that, so you can customize it. The other thing that I like a lot about this is that you can actually add stuff to it. So for instance, if you want to add a custom link, I would say that you like a specific website, yahoo.com for example, let's just say. Well, you could actually put a custom URL, so www.yahoo.com, and then you can just name it into Yahoo, and you actually can choose an image if you'd like and customize it even more. So you hit OK and you hit done, and you can close that out, and it will take you right to Yahoo. As you can see, it's a very nice, neat way for you to customize your Google, and it's gonna remember everything, and that's what I like about it the most. That it remembers everything. You don't have to worry about you don't have to worry about not being able to have those links. And also, if you do like things to be a little cleaner, you can use the bookmarks up here, which I also do as well, but there's just shortcuts that you want to go. So like if you want to go to Amazon, you can go to Amazon and it'll go there. And I believe there's even more things you can do to make it even look nicer. So if you were to go over here to the ad, you actually can look up things that you might be interested in reading. You can even add Craigslist if you'd like. CNN if you want to look at the news. Just so many options. Feedly, and that's a really awesome one right there because you can actually read your favorite websites with that, and just so many different things you can put into it. And another cool feature that I like a lot here is this little photo area here that if you click on it, it'll spin around and it'll actually pick a custom image for you and change it for you. And it's really cool, as you can see. You have the same options that you would have with Google. So if you're looking for an address, if you're looking for videos, let's just say music. It'll go on to crawl the YouTube, and you can actually look at all the whatever you're looking for on video. And again, you can use the same images and everything that you want to use. So it's just a really nice extension that you could add to your Google Chrome, just to make the experience a lot better. And like I said, if you have custom websites that you want to click on, you want to go on, you have that option as well. And so that's always a really nice feature. So signing off, this is Elias. Make sure you check this out. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. Make sure to follow us on Twitter and all that cool stuff. Take care, everybody.